When two male lions fight for control of a pride, the encounter is typically a dramatic and intense struggle, rooted in natural instincts and survival. These fights often take place when a new male or coalition of males seeks to challenge the dominant male or males for leadership of the pride. The reasons for such fights are deeply connected to access to mates' territory and the opportunity to pass on their genes to the next generation. Competition for mating rights by male lions do not maintain a lasting bond with any specific female in a pride, but they do have exclusive mating rights when they are the dominant male. A dominant male typically stays in power for several years, but eventually younger males or a coalition of males will challenge him to take over. This results in a fight for the right to mate with the pride's females. Strength and aggression. Fights between male lions are often brutal displays of strength, aggression, and endurance. They rely heavily on physical power, with each male attempting to overpower the other through body weight, claw strikes, biting, and grappling. The mane of the lion, which grows thicker and darker with age, plays a crucial role in protecting the neck during these battles. However, it can also make it harder to see vulnerable spots, such as the eyes or throat. Fighting strategy. Posturing and roaring. The initial stages of a fight often involve posturing and roaring, a method of displaying dominance and intimidating the opponent. Male lions roar to warn rivals of their presence and to assert their strength. This is not always immediately followed by physical combat, but instead, it serves to gauge the opponent's resolve. Physical combat. When the fight escalates, the lions will engage in physical combat using their powerful jaws and sharp claws. They often aim for the opponent's neck, face, and eyes, as these areas are the most vulnerable. Fights are typically quick but intense, as each lion aims to inflict pain and disable the other to assert dominance. Clashes. Lions tend to avoid long, drawn-out battles because they're dangerous and can lead to severe injury or death. Instead, they aim to disable their opponent with swift and powerful strikes. A fight can be over in a matter of minutes if one male is sufficiently injured or unwilling to continue. Outcomes of the fight. Victory and takeover. The victorious lion, after overpowering the defeated male, will often claim the role of the pride's dominant male. This victory usually leads to mating rights with the females of the pride. The loser of the battle may be driven out or killed, particularly if the victor is certain to secure dominance. Mating opportunities. If the fight is won by a new male, he may kill the cubs of the previous male. This is known as infanticide, and it is a common strategy among male lions. By killing the cubs, the new male forces the females to become receptive to mating sooner, allowing him to sire his own offspring with them. Challenges and risks. Injury and death. Lion fights can lead to serious injuries, such as deep wounds to the face, neck, and body. Such injuries can be fatal or result in infections, weakening the defeated lion, who may struggle to survive without the support of the pride. Exile. A male who loses a fight might not only suffer physical injury, but also face exile from the pride. This exile significantly reduces his chances of survival, as young male lions typically rely on the protection and resources of a pride. The role of coalitions. In some cases, male lions form coalitions, which are groups of related males that work together to overthrow a dominant male. This is especially common with brothers who cooperate to increase their chances of taking over a pride. These coalitions often have a strategic advantage, as they can outnumber or overpower a single lion. Conclusion. Male lion fights are crucial to the social structure and reproductive success of a pride. They are a demonstration of strength, endurance, and survival tactics where only the most dominant males gain control over the pride and access to mating opportunities. These conflicts are an essential part of the life cycle of lions, ensuring that only the fittest pass on their genes to future generations.